Hey guys, Switch over here again. Yeah, and what is my dog doing? Okay then. Oh, here's one dog. I made this video to show you guys my dog. This is Lucy. She's the baby. The mama's hiding underneath my dresser. But yeah, she loves to play. And she's my little cuddle bug. Yeah, I cuddle with her all the time. Yeah, right. Mwah. She loves to play. She loves, what she tends to do. What are you doing, Lucy? You better not attack Mom. Midnight, come here. Come here. This might take a while. Lucy, get Mama. No, not me. I'm not your mama, but okay then. Yeah, but she doesn't get kisses. And this is her snake. She loves to play. Midnight, come here, Midnight. Midnight, come here. Midnight, come here. Oh, really, dog? Are you seriously comfy underneath there? Say hi to the camera, Lucy. Yeah, she took over my snake. Pretty much, so yeah. Midnight, get your butt over here! Midnight! Come here! Midnight, come! Come! Midnight! Come here! Midnight! Come here! Yeah, get your big fat butt out of there. Come here. You're not in trouble, baby. Yeah, you're not in trouble. I got kisses. You never give me kisses. You never give me kisses. Why you full of kisses? This is a mama. Her name is Midnight. Yeah. My mom's dog, pretty much. And she's still at the snake. She's 3 years old. She's going to be 4 this year. She had 6 or 5 puppies. So yeah. And Lucy looks more like a dad, obviously. So yeah. Yeah, look at the camera. Yeah, I'm very weird. Don't judge. No, Baba. Yeah, this is what my dad did to the snake for someone. She's been trying to get this knot out for a while now. She's obviously not getting anywhere. Yep, she likes the snake because of the rattle that is right. Ow! There, that's not nice. Little. Lucy. Oh, Midnight, do you want out? Guess I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment. Go subscribe to Alex Blanco, whatever his name is. Yeah, just go subscribe to him. He's shut up. He's a pretty awesome guy. So yeah. Bye.